take a risk and I take chance. I pull up quick, make it break down.
So you hear it playing Spotify. It's got sound, but when it comes to this turn, you're going to hear it turn the volume down to speak, but it won't say anything.
He was sleeping like a sleeping man.
Just turn the volume down.
He was sleeping like a sleeping man.
It just turned it down again to say welcome home, but didn't say anything.
I'll take a risk and I'll take chance. I'll pull up quick, make it break down. Yeah.
So what I'll try now is I'll turn it off. No, I'll turn it back on. And let's try navigate to Cuthbertson Middle School. No volume there, but no volume at all. Let's see. Okay, there's volume. Go here. Navigate to Walmart.
Got it. Walmart Neighborhood Market.
No, still no voice. Let's try, alright. Do this. Restart. Okay. I'll pause the video. Alright. Let's back up. Let's give it a second. Okay, let's try. Sure.
Head east on Fallendale Road towards Silverwood Drive.
Yeah, there's the voice. So in the previous video I showed also, so if I go in here, go to settings, oops, settings, navigation settings, and here's that. You see how it's unmuted. I tried to play that test sound. Now it'll work. Well, now it's not working. So let's see if navigation, voice, and sound stopped working. So let's look up a restaurant. Sure, Stack's Kitchen, let's go. And now there's no sound. So here's an example of it working, and then all of a sudden it stops. So we'll try that again. Let's exit the navigation. it's like it works and then it just stops. So let's try a gas station. So sure, let's go here, start, and at the beginning it'll tell you, where you should turn, but nothing. All right, thank you.